what's up guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, my name is Taz Shiko and you're so very much welcome. Please hit that subscribe button if you've not, and if you have, thank you so much. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll always be notified. I forgot to introduce today's video. So today's video is a weekend vlog. So let me share with you what I did during the weekend. So the first activity that I did was installing a wig on my mom, and this is the wig. So this wig is close to 5 years old now, and you can see it still looks so beautiful. So it just looks so beautiful even right now. So I just wanted to install it. And it's never a dull moment with mom. She's just fun to be with. Like just having a lot of fun while I was doing this. You can even see I just had a lot of fun doing this. So the next thing, I'm just going to use this ghost blonde. So in case you're having troubles with your wig moving and you want it to stick there and not move, so a good glue to use is this ghost bond glue. It's not even expensive, like it's very affordable, and it makes your wig not to move at all. And it's not just for a day. You can even last with it for 2 weeks, 3 weeks, depending on how. If you are a sweaty person, it might not last that long. Maybe it can last you a week, but in case you don't sweat a lot, like you can even last with it for even 3 weeks, 4 weeks. Like it's that good, and it's not even expensive. So after that, I just laid the edges. So I'm just trying to fix edges here, and then after that, I'm just now laying them. And what I'm using right now to lay them is this mousse, olive mousse. And this is how they are looking. Let me now tie them to make them last longer. So I went on top with a blow dry, and as that is happening, as my mom was getting ready, I decided to do my nails. So my nails are looking bad, not only my fingernails, even my toenails, but I didn't show that. And these are my gels. So I have these three. I have a base coat, the color, and the top coat. And this is the look on my mom. Like she looks so beautiful. And this is her. She's looking so beautiful. Like, look at that hair. Look at the makeup. It's just simple, but looking so beautiful. You're looking so beautiful, mama. And then after that, I went to a birthday party. I was invited for a birthday party. Thank you so much for inviting me. And oh my God, it was so beautiful. I enjoyed myself. I had a lot of fun. Like, you can even tell. All this food, I was enjoying. I was enjoying. Everything and everyone here looked so beautiful, like so amazing. We had a lot of fun. Like it was just amazing. Happy birthday, girl. And this is me in the washroom. Look at that, a girl Toto. And my outfit, this is my outfit, a leather dress and a denim jacket. So yeah, that's just me. I had a lot of fun. And then guess what? As I was dancing, my dress like got torn. The slit went up. after having all that mad fun, it was now time to go home. So I took a boda boda, and let me tell you, this guy decided that he's gonna hike the price that he mentioned when I was actually pandaing that boda boda. He added 100 bob on top when I was alighting. Like, oh my god, this guy. But anyway, something happened. What happened. Today is on Monday, and yesterday I didn't pick up my phone to actually vlog. After the party, I left the party at around 4:30 in the morning, and I was getting home around 5, yeah, I think around 5-ish there. So that's the time I actually got home. I spent most of my time sleeping because I had some back pain. I think I've been complaining about having back pains for the longest time. I think it's been months of me having like some back pains, so it disappears with time. Like today I can be having the pains, and then tomorrow it won't hurt, I won't feel anything, and then next week like that, like it's not consistent. So at times when the pain disappears, I forget that I need to get checked, because I think it's been like that for months and I don't know what causes it. So I think sometime soon I'll go to the hospital and get checked. So apart from that, I went to the shop, and to my shop now, and I got a wig. So I have a new stock, so I want to share with you all the wigs that I have in stock. I have mad discount, so I want to share with you. So that will be on a separate video, and oh my god, they're so beautiful and extremely affordable. Like they're so affordable. So I'll upload the video this week still, so check it out and enjoy the discounts. Like I have mad discounts. And I also want to share with you something that I think has helped me a lot, especially with my skincare journey. You all know that I have acne, a very stubborn acne, but I'm having medication, I'm getting it treated. So I have these, I showed you in the vlog that I did, this Dove soap. I got it, and let me tell you, it has been helping me a lot, like a lot. It's so good. The dermatologist recommended it to me, so I've used it for only 1 week. So with the medication that I was using, I felt like, oh my god, it's so slow, I don't feel like it's working. Last weekend on Saturday I got this soap, so I've used it for only 1 week, and there are so many types, like there are different colors. And so this is the one that I got. It's white in color, and oh my god, it smells so nice. Like it smells so nice. So this soap has helped me a lot with the pimples, the acne. It has helped them a lot to dry. Like they were so big, but after using this soap for only 1 week, even though I'm using other medication, I feel like this one has also helped a lot. So what I do with this soap is I just use water and then I lather it, like apply it on my face, lather it, allow it to sit for some time, like 10 minutes, and then after that 10 minutes I then wash my face. And oh my god, I had like within a few days it has been really helpful. I've seen a lot of change. I know you can't see it because right now I'm having makeup on, but I'll try and see if I can get videos of how I looked before I started using the soap, because I think I have a few clips before I started using the soap and after I've used the soap. Like it has helped me a lot. So in case you have skin problems, skin struggles like I do, especially with the acne, this is a really good soap. So apart from that, my skin has been doing good, because oh my god, I felt like it was the first 1 week, because it's now 2 weeks since I started medication. So the first week it was so slow. I felt like nothing is happening, like it's so slow, everything is working so slow. But it's not 2 weeks. I'm supposed to go back to the dermatologist actually this week on Thursday. We are only treating the acne right now, so after I go to the dermatologist, she'll see if we can now start treating the dark spots and clearing them. So that's been the situation right now. Thank you so much for watching this vlog, and until next time, bye. Before I go, tell me if you want more vlogs. I might just want the makeup tutorials and the shopping hauls, because Right now I'm not even doing shopping because my account is really wanting. So just that has been my weekend. Those are the activities that I did during the weekend, and oh my god, I had a lot of fun, especially on the birthday. Oh my god, I had a lot of fun. Thank you so much for inviting me, and thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye bye.